All right, so here we are with another problem, and let's take a look at some dimension here. I'm going to go ahead and start my drawings with those circles. So let's go here. I'm going to start with a circle that is diameter 15. So the radius will be 7.5. The second circle will have the diameter of 24, or the radius is going to be 12. So this right here. Next, I have a 44 from the center to the side. So I'm going to do that. Let me track it up there. I'm going to do 44. And then I'm going to go down. I got 30 here, and then I got 24. So that's 12. 12 and 34. So I'm going to dry down 42. I'm going to go to the left 23. I'm going to go past my center. I'm going to go right somewhere there. This is something that we're going to have to trim later. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to establish this right here, this little thing. There is an angle to this. I believe there is an angle to that, and the angle is actually has the dimension of a 27 degree. There's an angle to it. So with that information there, we can go ahead and draw something. We are going to go back to here, construct a line. I'm going to go control right click. We're going to do tangents. I'm going to go ahead and tangent there. And first I'm going to go ahead and draw it as like so. What we're going to do here is I'm going to go and rotate it. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to go rotate it around this point. I'm going to rotate it 27 degree. So you go down here and you put it in the angle that is 27. And that will be the angle that is rotated. Now I can just go and trim this thing. Then I'll go and I'll do a fillet. That one of the radius of 5 or the diameter of 10. All right, so that is the answer to this problem. And we're going to go ahead and trim out this little thing here. Actually, we'll have to trim that out for that part. And then we're going to go and chamfer. There is a 3 by 3. So that means it's going to be a distance of 3. So let me do that again real quick. Chamfer my first line, and I'm going to do distance, which is 3, and the second distance also 3. All right, hit enter to recall, and then I'm going to do that, hit enter again, and voila, this is all that is asked of this problem. What we're going to do is just confirm our measurements real quick. And you can just see by doing the quick measurement, you can see that's radius 5, 7.5 and all that stuff. Or you can just start taking out your dimension. That's right there. Distance from here to here is 23. Distance from here to, I believe, all the way outside the edges here is 33. So that would be a 56 there. All right, so this problem is done. Enjoy.